SCCA, Sports Car Club of America, is a sanctioning body and a club. And they are focused on, I don't know what their tagline is. It's something like fun with cars, I believe. And they put on automotive events, whether it's like a road rally where people are just, driving down highways to different locations and doing more like geocache type events with cars, to autocrosses, which are like parking lot type events with cones, and you have to do a timed lap through a coned out course, to rally. They've historically done real rally, like up in the Ojibwe forest and whatnot, all the way to club racing, which is what I do, and that's door-to-door, wheel-to-wheel actual racing on a road course with multiple laps. And so they are the governing body, sanctioning body, and club that puts on all of these other events. There are a lot of other sanctioning bodies and groups out there. Nowadays, there's never been a better time to get into motorsports. It seems like there's more accessible racing opportunities that present themselves every year. So, budget, though car racing is probably second and third to airplanes and horses. It's not a cheap sport, but there are opportunities where you can bring almost any vehicle you own and have fun, playing with it, not on the street.